Think with the end in mind. So this will be the final Power BI report which we will create together in this course, and you will be able to do this from scratch on your own with no issues, I promise, okay? And you can see that in our report everything is filterable, so I could click on the year and filter by the year. Of course, I could also use any kind of visual, for instance, to filter, and I would see something like Germany here, so the data for Germany. I could use my total sales here as, for instance, the data for drinks, and everything would be filtered for drinks, okay? So everything is possible, and each kind of filter is possible. And beside this, which is our final report, you will also learn how you can, for instance, create a drill through. For instance, this is only an example, but I could right click on this, and I could say, for instance, here in France, right click on France, click on drill through, say details about this country, and I see details about France. And by the way, if you're wondering, Frankreich is simply the German word for France, okay? Because I'm living in Germany, and that's why the Bing default map services is here located in Germany and gives me German data here. Okay, beside this drill through with this back button, I could always go back to my individual dashboard. We will also learn about bookmarking and creating things like this power button here. And I selected this image. You can change the image the way you want, but in this case you could again simply click on the image and you get some default value here, so a completely new bookmark or new dashboard if you want. And in this case I simply again click on this and I'll go back to my original one. So these tips and tricks you will also learn, and at the end, of course, you could also implement this within your final report. So hopefully you're excited. I am definitely, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Till then, best guys.